Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about how to add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. And in order to do that, we are going to use the problem 26 plus 3 equals what? My first step in solving this problem is to build each number with base 10 blocks. So you can see here, I started with 26. I know 26 has 2 tens and 6 extra ones. Here are my 2 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, and my 6 extra ones. Then I built my 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now, all I need to do is combine all of my base 10 blocks. So I'm going to count it up. I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So there are 29 base 10 blocks altogether. So my answer to 26 plus 3 is 29.